Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introducing myself. My name Abdullah Azzam Hariyanto. I'm from 11th grade, Industrial Electronic 3. Today, I'm going to review an important tool in electronic, the soldering iron. It's used to connect electronic components using solder. The soldering iron looks like a pen with a metal tip and heat up. The tip melts the solder. The pen keeps your hand safe from heat, and the cable connects to electric. Just heat it up, touch the solder, and it sticks the component onto the circuit board.
Okay, this is a form of solder, shaped like a pencil. Easy to use, but we also have to use it careful because the solder is hot. And don't forget to use personal protective equipment. Okay, and this is the result of my soldering. So the result is like this. Is component and this soldering. This component is soldering. Okay.
In my opinion, it's easy to use, small in size, and affordable. But if you use it for too long, the handle can get hot, and you need to be careful not to damage the component. So, soldering iron is a really useful tool for anyone learning electronics. That is all from me. Sorry if there are any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.